Hello
guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is a special edition to you, and we would like to say some kind words because yesterday we reached 10,000 subscribers, and this is you guys, you watching the videos, you are subscribing, and we are really thankful for that you are interested in our project, in our culture and lifestyle that we build.
Our purpose is to give you guys a lot of value, and obviously the fact that you guys are subscribing and watching the video, it's like validating that we are creating good content, and we want to make this stronger, and we want to make a lot more content and be a lot more regular on YouTube, and the next step is 100,000.
Yes, I think the next video like this will be at 100,000, and we will celebrate this milestone in our YouTube journey with a very special video that we are going to shoot tomorrow, because we did not think that it's gonna happen on Saturday, what was yesterday, so we are behind with the production. But this channel made it kind of bigger with bread videos, with your bread videos.
Yeah.
And also my donut video is doing very well. And we decided that we want to celebrate this with a new bread video, so that's gonna come, and that's gonna be the celebration of this 10,000.
Exactly, that's what we're giving you. It's actually the first bread video that I made. It's at 140,000 views now. And this bread, I hate to admit it, that we're gonna do in the thank you video is actually better than the bread that we made. So you guys are going to love it. And we're so happy that we found it. We have been eating it flat out.
Yeah, we made it already 5 times because we needed to nail the recipe. It's a US recipe, and it just didn't work out when we tried to do it with our ingredients. So I made it 5 times in the last 2 days, and then I think we are ready to shoot.
Exactly, enough practice.
Yes.
And normally we can never talk about like ourselves on the channel, because I mean that's not what the channel is about. It's about how we can help you guys. And yeah, I just want to say that it's been quite a journey, and I remember like reaching the first 100. I mean, I remember when we were asking our friends and family to subscribe.
Yeah, that was our 100. Like, we asked people to please subscribe.
And then I remember that we were watching the subscribers every day, and then it came like a foreign subscriber, like it wasn't from our friends, and then we were like, ooh, someone subscribed. And it's so funny because now we get like, I don't know, between 20 to 50 subs a day, and yeah, I mean, it feels awesome. We're really happy that you guys like the channel, and
I really appreciate the comments, because I can see that some of you constantly following with the videos, and you are commenting and interacting, and I feel I know you a little bit by now, because I see the names, I know who you are, and that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so it feels awesome, and I just hope that the 100,000 will be a lot faster than the 10,000, but we are just going to keep making videos, and then it will come when it comes. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as we are enjoying it. So to say thank you again, we have asked our editor to make a montage for you guys, and that's
just a little recap of our journey so far.
Yeah, with a little bit of music, so please enjoy. Thank you again, guys, and see you in our next videos. Ciao, ciao.
Wow, we reached 10,000.
Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel.
So we're gonna make our absolute favorite keto carrot cake muffin. How to replace bagel. The recipe is super easy.
I'm not gonna put it over my head, it would be too good of a YouTube video.
So now let's head into the video.
Raspberries, strawberries.
This is my all-time favorite keto dessert. Believe that it can be done. Okay, so I think that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.